Unlock the power of digital signing in just a few moments by mastering how to sign into your DocuSign account. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official DocuSign website. You can usually find this by searching for DocuSign in your search engine. Once the page loads, locate the email address field. This is where you'll enter the email address associated with your DocuSign account. Make sure to type it in carefully, double-checking for any typos. Next, you'll find the password field. Enter the password you created when you set up your DocuSign account. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure your capitalization is correct. After entering both your email address and password, simply click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken directly to your DocuSign dashboard or the last document you were working on. Congratulations! You've successfully signed into your DocuSign account from your dashboard. You can now easily send documents for signature, sign documents sent to you, and manage all your digital agreements securely. If you ever forget your password, don't worry. Look for the Forgot Password link just below the password field and follow the prompts to reset it. This easy process ensures you can always regain access to your account. Signing into DocuSign is your gateway to a seamless and secure digital document signing experience. Now you're ready to start managing your documents with confidence.